center block, center. I will take circle by center point this. See outside diameter 44. Press center button, then right click, again left click. Inside diameter 24. Circle by center point. 24. Then return. Again I will take this plane. A line from this. See second line. Distance between the cross axis 32. 32 from this midpoint of this circle I will draw a line. See 32 from this center 32. Return again plane I will select this plane. Circle by center point this same inside diameter 24 and outside diameter 44 means radius 22. Return. See next protrusion left right symmetric how much 92 press center button. Again protrusion left right symmetric. This 92 press center button. Again see here some material I want to cut this. Now I will take cutout, left click, right click, symmetric, left. Now it is straight. Now again same thing, cutout, left, right, symmetric, left. See cross line. Now go to file, save, summary, cross, center block or cross or center block, okay. It's complete. Part 2, save. Now third part, pin dimension, plane. I will select this plane. Third part, pin diameter is equal to 0.24. Circle by center point this 24. Press center button. Return. Protrusion left right. Okay. Length of the body of the pin. Last line 144. Length of the body of the pin 144 without taking the length of the collar 144 then plane. I will select this plane or I will select this plane circle by center point this first line and last line is over. Second line pin head diameter 40 return protrusion left somewhere right pin head thickness 10 you go up not down upside left. Okay, then length of the pin is over, then the distance between taper pin hole center to end of the pin. I will take plane, this plane. Here I will line command from the midpoint of this 12. Then I will take circle by center point this taper pin dimension how much? Nominal diameter 8. Press center button. Return what to do? Cut out left, somewhere right, symmetric left. Okay. 8 mm. धक्का रहता है ना ये इसका डायमीटर कम भी रहा तो ड्यू टू डक्टिलिटी वो अंदर जाता है 4 or 5 सब स्टील है और इस थर्ड पार्ट पिन और now taper pin okay I go to file save summary third part pin pin, okay. Okay, third part is over. Again, new file, normal part, okay. Fourth, taper pin, nominal diameter 8. Plane, I will select this. Circle by center point, or else I will take line. Line 8 divided by 2, 4. 4. See, last problem also in this book, he has not given taper. But now here I written taper is equal to 1:30. 1:30. See, it has to go inside the, hole. So, which part enters should be smaller. Paper 1:30. I will do the length 30 plus center button, make it horizontal. Now here 1. Then I will join this. See the taper. This is taper 1:30. Standard size, standard taper dimension 1:30. This is 30 and this is 1. Correct correct 90 line from this 1 mm press center button, angle -90 press center button, join this. Up silver. Taper, see this taper, this is 30 and this should be 0.5. This is circular, okay, this should be 0.5. Taper one side is not mentioned. Taper pin dimension I will take. I will take 1 divided by 2.5. 0.5 and join this. इधर point इधर ये कहाँ पे है 4 इधर कहाँ पे है ये हाफ लेने ये डायमीटर 4 ले इधर ये कितना है ये 0.5 ये 30. Now fit. I will take line. So length of the taper pin 45. D plus 5 45. 40 plus 5 45. 45 plus center button. Left click. Fit. Make it vertical left right. I will take trim command. Trim this. Now fit. I will take extend. Just left click. Again trim this. Return what to do. Revolve protrusion. Left. Somewhere right. Axis. Left. 360. Press center button. Left. Taper pin. Now go to file. Save. Summary. What is this? Taper pin. Okay. Part 4. Next, new file.